Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Voyager 1 in Spaceflight Simulator. First, begin by placing a large fuel tank as the central structure. Next, attach a powerful engine to the bottom for the necessary thrust to escape Earth's gravity and travel through deep space. Remember to add a fairing to encapsulate and protect your probe during the initial launch phase, ensuring its safe journey into orbit. Now, let's focus on the scientific components. Place a small probe body at the top of your main fuel tank. This will serve as the core for your instruments. Crucially, attach two RTGs, or radioisotope thermoelectric generators, to provide consistent power throughout its long mission. Don't forget to add communication antennas to ensure your Voyager can transmit valuable data back to Earth. For long-range communication, attach a large dish antenna to the top of your probe body. This is vital for sending and receiving signals across vast distances. Implement separation mechanisms for your fairing, allowing it to jettison once in space. Finally, double-check that all parts are securely connected and aligned, preparing your Voyager 1 replica for a successful launch and mission. With your Voyager 1 built, it's time for launch. Carefully plan your trajectory to achieve escape velocity, pushing your probe beyond Earth's gravitational pull. Continuously monitor your fuel levels throughout the interplanetary journey to ensure you have enough for course corrections. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals, so you can explore new worlds while your virtual Voyager does too. Good luck with your mission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.